Here we are at your buddy Bud. We're doing a little quick wintertime maintenance. Clutch cables today. I've already taken the clutch cable out of this one right here. Got it up here right here. The only tools we're going to need: a little electrical tape, funnel, some penetrating lubricant, brake cleaner, and whatever it takes to get your cable out. I've already removed the cover down here where the clutch enters the engine side here, and I put a clean rag under it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this funnel, we're going to pop it over the end of here, right? Well, here, let me set the phone down. Okay. So we're going to pop the funnel over there, get it down there just low enough to where you're below the metal part onto the cable. Take this tape, try to get a liquid tight seal there, so just pull the tape a little tight, okay, and then leave a little tail so you can pull the tape off later, okay. Now we've got a beer bong here for our clutch cable, and we're just going to fill the beer bong up, right? Ooh, messy, super messy. So we got a puddle there, and you just work the cable a little bit. Okay. You see that? Yucky. Coming out of there. Let's do that a second time. That's pretty dirty. So this time I'll be a little more careful with the overspray. And you can put it right at it, like that, right? Fill that baby up. Tilt it uphill. It'll kind of drain out, but it won't hurt anything. Okay, see everything I'm getting out of there? Okay. Just a little bit of action to help work that down through there. Now I felt like it was coming out pretty clean that second time, so now we're going to move on to our lubricant. Okay. A little bit of that. Okay. Turn it uphill again. See, get the point there. Now it's coming out pink. Okay, easy as that right there. Then I'll get a rag, clean it all up, bolt it back together. I guarantee that lever will be easier to pull in. I only use one finger on the clutch, so that cable's got to stay nice and clean. That's nice about the newer bikes. Some of them are hydraulic and you don't have to do that. But any of the cable actuated clutches, man, that'd be good like every, I don't know, 6 months, halfway through the season, clean that dust and dirt out of there. Hope you're having a great winter. Early Merry Christmas. Take it easy.